Are you planning to start your online business in 2025 but not sure where to begin? This video will give you 5 smart, practical, and beginner-friendly tips to launch your business successfully, even if you have no experience or a small budget. Let's get started. Tip #1 Choose the right business model. The first step is choosing the right business model. Do you want to sell digital products? Offer freelance services? Start a dropshipping store? Pick a model that suits your skills, your goals, and has future demand. Don't follow the crowd, follow strategy. Tip #2 Find your profitable niche. Not every topic will make you money. Choose a niche that is in demand and solves a real problem, like health, productivity, AI tools, or design. When you target a specific audience, your chances of success increase dramatically. Tip #3 Start lean. Think smart. You don't need a huge investment to get started. Use free and low-cost tools like Canva, ChatGPT, Notion, and Shopify to build and manage your business. Focus on value, not expensive gear. Tip #4 Build your brand or be consistent. People don't buy from strangers, they buy from brands they trust. Create a strong name, a clean logo, and start posting consistently on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn. Your brand is your online identity, build it with care. Tip #5 Keep learning or stay updated. In 2025, the digital world changes fast. If you stop learning, you fall behind. Invest time in learning new tools, watching tutorials, and improving your skills every week. The more you learn, the more you earn. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to LIFEACE, and share your business idea in the comments below. 2025 is full of opportunities. Start today and make